Hey, Jim Starwelt here with another one of Jim's favorites. I'm here with Captain Dan Shaughnessy from Charters on the Chain. He's based out of, where are we based out of?
Cypress Resort Marine on Petite Lake off of Grass Lake Road. We offer a variety of different charters. Basically, you pay for the boat at the time of the captain, and you can do what you want. But we do offer specified tours, historical tours, Prohibition and Native American, lotus bed tours in August, bird watching and nature tour.
Hold on, what's a lotus bed tour?
So the lotus beds are pretty much the reason people started coming to the chain of lakes in the early 1900s. They're a rare exotic flower that grow in a few places in the world, and we're lucky enough to have a few beds here on some of our lakes.
So you told me a little bit about what you do. You like to take people on bird watching tours. Tell me some of the birds that we're going to see out here.
There's over 230 different species that come through this area, number one, in the spring and the fall. But you'll see great blue herons, great egrets, American bald eagles, ospreys, terns. There's so many different.
If I bring French fries, will I see any seagulls?
Oh yeah, you'll see tons of seagulls. Those are plentiful up here.
Any penguins?
No penguins, but pelicans. You'll see pelicans. There's thousands of pelicans in the spring and in the fall. My name is Captain Dan Shaughnessy with ChartersOnTheChain.com. You can find me on Facebook, Instagram, or good old Google.
Come enjoy a day with the family and book a tour where Captain Dan will take you around and show you some cool stuff. So, another one of Jim's favorites, Charters on the Chain.